Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tri Arifa Putri Kasbar. My name is 2104075120039. I'm from bilingual class 2, 1, and 3. In this video, I will make a final project assignment for a public speaking course with an academic presentation about educational issue. For this reason, I immediately started presenting my material. So, the issue that I will raise as the final assignment for the public speaking course is a problem that might be familiar to all of you, and of course, this issue will continue to grow if it is not limited. The issue is the influence of technology in the world of education. The influence of technology in the world of education has become a very significant issue in the current digital era. Technology has changed the way we learn, increasing the accessibility of education, expanding learning opportunities, and optimizing of evaluation and monitoring process. With innovative technology-based approaches, teaching at university has become more interactive, personalized, and affordable for students around the world. Okay, this one, based on the Journal of Marista et al. 2021, I have read that the current situation regarding this issue, which often occurs in the world of education in Indonesia, is the vague process of learning activities carried out in the classroom. In this case, the only learning process that exists is the theory that is carried out. This classroom and learning environment aims to direct students' abilities to understand the material. However, in this theory, there is a lack of material for application in everyday life. In the learning, the presence of an educator has high potential in developing students' potential and creativity, but the important role of educational technology that exists today is very useful for learning from lower to upper levels, such a media. Learning that can be used as a medium for exciting learning media also help to find more complete insight. Examples that can illustrate the current situation regarding the influence of technology in the world of education. Number 1, use of technology in learning. Using technology in education can increase efficiency, accessibility, and quality of education. Technology has helped improve the learning experience, making students more active and involved in the learning process. Number 2, transformation of learning methods. The use of technology has enabled a transformation in learning methods, making the learning process more interactive and dynamic. The use of technology has changed the way we learn, increasing the accessibility of education, expanding learning opportunities, and optimizing evaluation and monitoring process. Number 3, teacher-student collaboration. Technology increases the way we collaborate, allowing teachers and students to work together more effectively. Number 4, evaluation and monitoring. The use of technology has helped improve the accuracy of evaluation results and monitoring individual students' progress more effectively. This one, challenge that can occur in access to technology such as: Number 1, students often access something on the internet. It can be worrying that they use what is available in information technology but not optimally, but rather they use it for other things, or they even access information that contains bad things such as pornography and online games. Number 2, for students, they can be exposed to information overload. This is, they can access everything that exists and they can find the information they are looking for continuously, such as opening pornographic things which can give them an addiction to accessing pornography, and also online games that make them willing to spend money just for teens games. And the problem is the students I help because the stare at the monitor screen too often, and it can also disrupt their learning activities, and that is very detrimental for them. Apart from the challenge above, there are also other challenges, namely, number one, many students are addicted to cyberspace or the internet. This causes apathic behavior towards new things. Therefore, when using the internet, there must be a fortress of filter to access it. Apart from that, parental attention or parental supervision in the important role in instilling a mindset in a child's life. Number two, in technology there are criminal acts, cybercrime. However, not only in the world of technology, but in the world of education, this can also happen and can become a serious problem in the world of education. For example, there are students who steal confidential or important documents or assets that contain information about an exciting system. Real educational assets are kept secret, such as documents regarding final exam grades and attendance, which are carried out using media that can be accessed via the internet. There are two impacts of the influence of technology in the world of education, including negative impact. Number one, students. Potential for technology addiction and interference with learning concentration. And then the digital divide between students who have access and those who do not have adequate access the technology, and then risks of losing important social and human interaction skill. Number two, teacher. The challenge of integrating technology into the curriculum without sacrificing the quality of traditional teaching. And then dependence on technology, which might reduce creativity and teaching. Number three, education system. Financial challenge in updating infrastructure and providing adequate technology training for the teacher. And then potential technology failures that could disrupt the learning and evaluation process. Positive impact. Number one, students. Access to wider and more varied learning research. And then possibility to study independently and adjust the learning speed. And then develop of digital skills essential for the future. Number two, teacher. Opportunities to develop more interactive and interesting teacher methods. And then ease of creating and delivering learning materials. And then training and professional development related to the integration of technology in teaching. Number three, education system. Increase efficiency in school administration and management. And then development of a more measurable, accurate evaluation and reporting system. And then opportunities to provide distance education or a combination of online and online learning. Okay, next. This one, the solution to overcome the negative impact of the use of information technology in the world of education is by number one, consider the use of information and communication technology in education, especially for minors. Number two, do not use information and communication technology as the only media or means of learning in the sense of, for example, not only downloading ebooks, but still buying printed books as reference. Number 3, optimal use of information and communication technology but without losing ethics. Apart from that, we can overcome this by number 1, the government must be sensitive in filtering information that can be accessed by students. Number 2, enforcing applicable legal function, for example, the establishment of a cyber tax, who tax is determined, control operation standards in the application of information technology, including technology security, data backup system, as well as the function of the Center for Handling Child Abuse. Number 3, avoid the use of cellular phones with advanced feature by underage children and supervise their use more. Okay, next. This one, the conclusion from the points I have explained is the continuous development of science and technology has had several impacts on the environment. With technology, all aspects are affected. For example, the economy, social, politics, and even education. Based on the material we discussed, namely the influence in the field of education. This influence not only has a positive effect but also a negative effect. The positive influence of technology in education includes making it easier for every student to search for information, knowledge and broadening students' horizons. Meanwhile, the negative influence is that there are some children who misuse the use of this technology. For example, using this technology to play excessive games can reduce focus on learning, which can cause the decrease in children's achievement. With this positive and negative influence, we must be professional in using technology well so that the technological developments that occur can run well. Technology can also make work easier, therefore make the best use of technology. The recommendation for future steps are use technology wisely. Use technology wisely and ensure that the use of technology is appropriate for educational purpose. Teacher and education must be trained to use technology in an effective and efficient manner. Help students use technology in a balanced and moderate way. So that's how I made this video. Sorry if there are any mistake in this video. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.